to say what they know Mama for in her days. One from the family, either the mother side or the father side, then one from the children, to be our biological children or any of the in-laws, or and then finally one from our immediate community, that close where she lived, or those people that know her where she was in service, that want to say one thing about her or the other. So as we go on in this service, before we get to item 9, if God touches your mind that you should say something, please just walk up to us here, either to my left or to my right, to register your name and indicate the group that you want to represent. God will bless us as we go on in this service in the name of Jesus Christ. So we open our pamphlet to page 3 to take the opening hymn. We shall all stand to take the opening hymn. Hark, hark, my soul.